just more honest, like, oh yeah, I didn't shower for like 3 days, and I'm stinky, and my armpits are sweaty, and you're like, good.
Hi everybody, I am so nervous. I'm so nervous. It's nice to see you all. I'm very, very nervous, but we're gonna do good, and we're gonna have fun. Okay, I'm nervous. I was gonna say my name, but I said I'm nervous instead. When I do ASMR, I get really embarrassed, cause like, the idea of being so close like that is really embarrassing. It's pretty embarrassing, cause I'm like, what if my stomach growls? You know, stream. My stomach growls sometimes. I don't want you to hear it. Thank you. Okay. Jesus Christ, that scared me. Bye bye. 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 Okay.
Hello? I see you all like lurking. My god, you're so stupid. Stop lurking. Hello? Why are you saying hello? You're so embarrassing. So stupid. Hi, I guess. Whatever. I don't really care. Can you at least try to be cool? Like, somewhat cool?
Will you be having a weird food stream where we look around on YouTube for weird food videos? Yeah, I would love to do something like that. I'm well versed in the food content. I won't lie. I'm well versed in food videos and content. And I'd love to show you. Oh, have I missed any donations or anything? Oh my gosh, if I have, I'm so sorry. If I missed anything, I'm so sorry. I'm so into the game, I'm like... This is not Doom.
I like my hands bloody.
I like my hands bloody. I like his commentary quite a bit. My sister, on Thanksgiving, came out and told me, you know Santa's not real, right? You know Santa's not real, right? That's what she would tell me. You know Santa's not real. And I was heartbroken. I cried.
Can I mute? Let me see. Yeah. Oh, so I can mute if I want to. Woo. I don't know how that sounded. Oh no, it doesn't look like I'm talking anymore. What did I do? What did I do? Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, no, it's good.
Sometimes, do you ever just wish you were a child again? You wish you were a little child? Because when you were a child, you can just scream and get away with it whenever you wanted to. Shadow Sirens from Paper Mario. Oh. I can say it. Mario. Mario. I can say it. Mario. That's me. Okay. I like hummingbirds. Do you like hummingbirds? I like hummingbirds. Why? I like hummingbirds. Why? What I would do, I would take bread and I would put a little bit of hot sauce in a little container, and I would just have bread with hot sauce for lunch, and everybody always thought I was so weird.
Gosh. Oh, at this point, I feel like you'd like anything that I do. So cute.
No, don't smile. No, don't smile. Away, thought. I don't care. We're fine. We'll just leave. Uh-oh. 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 Well, I said it wouldn't crash, and that was a lie. No. Two times. Two times. I enjoy being cringe, yeah. I don't know. I loved Elizabeth, actually. It's very strange. I'm aware how. You know what? Fine. I'm done playing the game for today. That's it. I've had enough. I've had enough Fallout New Vegas for today. These These are slime ears. Muy cute. Here. Now this is the most important question out of all of them. Would you drive to the store to get me an energy drink, but you have to know telepathically which energy drink I want? This is something you have to know. I am not going to tell you which one. You're just going to know. Would you be able to do that? What do I do? I die! What do I do? I've had this game since 2014. I think I'm going to refund it right now. I learned this. If you mix blue and then you mix red, it's like my hair. Huh? You can't get out. Ah! I have to embrace my cringe, and it's okay. And I've realized that because I am a VTuber. I am the epitome of cringe. So that's okay. It's okay to want to say ara ara. It's okay to want to say oni-chan. It's okay to want to say dial. I don't need to get changed. I guess I just wear the same clothes every single day. I don't even shower either. I didn't have, when I was younger, I didn't have a babysitter. So I used to go to my mom's job and I used to play on my PSP. And I used to play Neopet's Pet Adventures, The Wand of Wishing, like all day. And then I had a single movie on my PSP. So, if you didn't believe in your cranium, if you didn't think I was a Neopets fan, look no further. Look no further. This is from my childhood. I'm a little bit scared to do 3D because I feel like you're gonna see like my bodily movements and my posture, and I'm not excited for that at all. I need to work on my posture really bad before I do 3D.
My feet look fine, actually. They're fine. You're just a weirdo. Why are you looking at my feet? You degenerate freak. Ugh, disgusting pervert. Don't even look at my feet. Don't even look at me. Away. Look away. Thanks for the $5. Wow. Thanks. What am I gonna do with that? $5? Yeah. Give me 600.
Don't actually. Please don't. I feel really bad just saying that. I'll just say that. I feel bad. I'm sorry. Gas, gas, gas. I'm gonna step on the gas tonight. Menace, yeah! Ah! 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 Oh, okay, never mind. I'd be surprised if I don't have brain damage at this point. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! You ruined my video! You ruined it! Fuck you! Okay. Alright, you know what? What should I have? I don't know. Gently riddle me this. What is the fucking Joker? Is she the Joker? Riddle me this. Deadly sins. It's not slime. It's oil. It smells really good. What is my love confession? None. I am a say-so pure goober. Thighs, slime, forehead, chew, eyes and thighs, slime. Cabadon, help me. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Menace from Cyberlife. I'm a goober. Somebody please help me. Please remember me as the shiny goober. I am Menace cabadoning me and calling me a pogchamp. You? Never gonna give you up? What is a love confession? If you really think about it, negative connotations of love confession doesn't make logical sense. Don't you agree? I think if you just have your confessions, you can have your own confessions. That's completely fine. But like asking for someone's love confession just feels like you're prying into something. But it shouldn't really feel that way. Not you. You're the perfect the way you are. A slime person. Help me. Thighs and someone with a funny online personality. Someone please help me. Yes. Yeah, this is... Honestly, I had to take a second look because this is definitely something I would write for myself. Hold on. I can do something. I can do something. Wait. Watch. Watch this. Here. For you. Are you going to eat it? Are you going to eat it? Come on. You need to eat it. Here, I wanna see you eat it, okay? Okay? Nom nom. Whoa. Thank you for eating it. Whoa. Hold on. I mean, I was cringe. I had a Hatsune Miku backpack. That was terrible. And I wore a Hatsune Miku shirt for gym. And one girl knew it. And that was like the highlight of my year. I will not hiccup. No hiccups. No. Oh, no. It shows the violence and cruelty of the average American percolating behind the facade of white picket fences and well-maintained lawns. Most importantly, it reveals how far some people go to make a buck, or be compelled to go, for socioeconomic reasons beyond their control. Relax, dude. Calm down. You're writing a story about Paperboy. Relax. Put away the encyclopedia, bro. Fucking chill out for a second. Do British people actually say me instead of my? I feel like they talk like a pirate. The guy who designed Hatsune Miku also designed the Subway logo. If you look it up, you actually can't find it. Purely because it's only on Japanese websites. It's actually a secret. And only I know this information. So if you look it up, you will get no results. But it's completely true. Well, I don't want to say it, but you know what I'm... Like, why did they do that? Why did they do that to her? Oh my gosh, female fish must have big knockers. I played Subnautica for a hot minute, and I returned the game immediately because I got scared. And also my PC couldn't really run it. I hope I can make you smile. Oh no. When I was cooking habaneros, I decided I would cook habaneros in like oil and with onions, and it made mustard gas in my apartment, and everybody couldn't walk through the house because everybody's eyes burned. I've told this story before. It's you. Get in my belly now. Ah! Oh, Claudia Katsumoto, thank you. Ah! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my god! If you can see my heart rate! Oh my god! A rage comic. Oh my god, okay, you know what? Never mind. Wearing a rage comic shirt is probably one of the biggest sins I've ever heard in my whole entire life. No, you can't recover from that. You have like a scar on your body from wearing a rage comic shirt. There's no way. There's no way you can cover. Whoa! What the heck? He got ganked! He got ganked! No! He got ganked! What are we gonna do?
Oh,
I literally destroy everything I touch. I don't know why.
eating this Pocky is really like... I'm actually getting flashbacks to eating dog food now.
Yeah, it's basically dog food. This is my stream, so you have to be nice to me, and you have to always kiss my ass, and you have to always tell me I'm doing a good thing, and you have to kiss my feet. I'm gonna run around in the dirt. I'm gonna run around in the dirt. You gotta kiss my disgusting feet, you freak. Because it's my stream, and you like me. I wonder, like, how I move the game. Like, you can tell what's happening to me. You know what I mean? Because you see PNG version of me a lot. And I wonder... Help me! Help me! Somebody help me! We wanted to see though.
Honestly, you'd think at this point, with the amount of times they show anime boobies and like ecchi and things like that, people just get bored of it. Like the same scenario, like, oh, hot, yeah, I guess, right? Oh no, she was running and she fell into him and she fell on top of them and they got embarrassed. That was so crazy. Oh my god, wow, that was really nuts and wild. I would hope that if I became just like a PNG of a bird, if I became a PNG of a bird, that you would still like me for being me. You know? That's what I would hope. I did live on my own for a little while, and I was basically a NEET living off of savings. That was a mistake. And I played Dota 2 all day. I would go to the gas station at like 3 a.m. and I was very skinny at this time. I was incredibly underweight and I ate more than I eat now. And I would eat a box of donuts sometimes. I would eat a box of donuts. Glazed donuts. It was terrible. Professional Dota player, that was me. I'd grab a very large cup of Dr. Pepper.
A mega pint.
And spicy ramen and chips. Sometimes I would eat just like a small bag of chips a day.
Who's Menace Alchemilla? I don't know, but she sounds like she must be very attractive and very cool and has a lot of girlfriends. I don't know. It's a very special name that only like very cool people can have, I think. But I don't know. I just think that could be something.
Hello. Edge Lord. Wait, no. I have to put Edge Lord. Tummy. Tummy is good. Best body part by far. Don't.
That's the fists. Big boggart.
Oh, you are not living.
As you can tell, I don't actually have lore here.
Yeah.
There's a reason for that. I'm just meeting you, you know. When you first meet somebody, do you tell somebody all about yourself?
Shut up! Stop trying to be funny. Oh, you're not funny.
Of course I'm not gonna tell you everything.
You're so annoying.
I'm 5'4". Did you know?
Don't bring it up.
Did you know that it takes approximately 90 seconds for me, a human being to drown? Did you know that?
Oh my god, that was supposed to be a funny underwater joke, you stupid
60 if
bitch.
you're
Oh my
panicking.
god, shut up. It was supposed to be haha funny. Yandere, shut up.
I really dislike noisy
be quiet.
places.
Oh my
I'm not a
god.
noisy person myself, so I don't like being around them.
Be
I don't
quiet.
like noisy anything.
Does anybody's bladder get fucked when you drink an energy drink? You have to pee a lot. I think that's just normal. I will be drowned by energy drink. Please drink water. No. I will never drink water. You will never see water enter this body. Alright, this is a very important game. You will like this game. It's called My Singing Monsters. It's called My Singing Monsters. I don't have money. They're not making me money. They're just loud and annoying. It's like having kids. They're not making me money. They're just loud and annoying. That's it. I'm fucking done with this game.
I can be fun, even with the skin. That was my name. I told you, I'm old, okay?
Menace!
What?
Menace, get yours! Get yours!
What?
Get yours!
Oh wait, let me get my Among Us. Hold on.
Get your Among Us! Get your Among
Shut
Us!
You can see my headphones. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, yours is bigger than mine. What the hell?
Yeah, you got little devil
Mine's-
horns.
Mine's all wonky. Look at his.
What's just fucked up?
His eyeball is like a peanut.
Mine looks good, actually. I was cuddling with
Among
him.
Us.
Sounds pretty good. Look at his little peepee. Oh, don't look at that!
thought she was pee-pee. Spread eagle. What if he had a little Bible here? I kind of want to add that. This feels wrong if I do this. This feels wrong. I feel like a bad
Mine
person.
kind of does though. But I know that's why guys play female characters. That's the secret. The secret is that you want a sexy character, and then you do the thing where you move your mouse and you look under their skirt and you're like, and you laugh to yourself. I know you do that. Come on, don't lie to me. I know you do that. Or like you look from an angle and you're like, you see like side boobers. I know you do that. Everybody does that, okay? Everybody does that. Right? Okay, fine. Okay? Okay, hold on, okay?
I always hop around with content, but I've always wanted to do ASMR for like a very long time. Good boy. Honey and honey and
Alright. I have a tray. This is my tray. This is my tray. It's just for the coordinates. I am very paranoid and scared. Because I know people take advantage of my stupidity all the time. I would too, it's funny. As a wise man once said, fuck around and find out. You know who that wise man was? Somebody on Twitter.
something very strange. I think like certain things are very, very cool. Like if you flex and I put my hand like in between where you're well, what is it called? In between where you're like not elbow. I don't know. In between that area. If you crush my hand, that would be cool. Be really cool. Yeah, your bicep. Like if I'm like, ow, that's when you know it's cool. Mm-hmm.
I can't. What the fuck was that? It doesn't work.
So Barbara got stuck babysitting her youngest brother Walter.
Oh my god, can't
Her
relate.
convention comeback was
my god, I relate.
cancelled.
Mistakes are normal. Because I was watching Germa play, Dark Souls. And I realized how many mistakes he was making, but it added on to, like, the enjoyment. And that's when I came to the conclusion, I was like, what the hell? Why am I so worried? Of course I'm not gonna have perfect gameplay. I suck at games, and that's okay. What if you go to a strip club, and there's, like, a girl you don't really want, and she, like, comes to you, and you're kind of obligated to say yes, right? Like, I can never hate dad jokes. I love them.
I don't even imagine you as like, you know, big men. I think you're all like these cutesy little things. You are. You'll say such like cutesy little things. So cute. I'm sorry. You'll never, ever be cool. I'm sorry. I gotta be honest with you. You're not cool. You're very cute. You're not cool at all. You're very cute.
You're weird and you're freaks and you smell and you sweat a lot. But but of course you do, because you watch somebody like me and I wouldn't have it any other way.